What is going on, guys? This is Ankar here from Editective, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can monetize your YouTube channel. So that being said, let's get started. So in order to monetize your YouTube channel, you need to open your web browser and sign into your account. As you can see, I have already signed into my account, my personal account, as actually because my channel is already monetized, so I cannot repeat this step because this is a one-step procedure. So I'm showing you on my personal account. For your YouTube channel, that will be same. So as you can see on the top right corner, you will get your channel icon. You need to click on there, and from here you can see an option called Creator Studio. You need to click on that. After that, this will take you to your Creator Studio dashboard, and as you can see, I have 0 subscribers, has 0 views because this is my personal account and I have not uploaded any videos yet. So from here you need to click on this channel tab and scroll out a little bit, and here you can see a card called monetization. So you need to click on enabled if you have not done yet. This will show you an option called enabled, and after that there are 4 steps to apply monetization for your channel. So the first step is read and agree YouTube partners program terms. So click on start and scroll down to the bottom, so that we're supposed to be read all the license terms and condition, and check these 3 boxes and click on accept. Now the first step is done. Now the second step is sign up for Google AdSense account. So you're going to click start here, and as it shows that it will redirect you to the Google AdSense account page, so you're going to click next. So I will select my personal account and for your case you need to select your YouTube channel, because as I have told you that I have already done monetization on my channel, so I'm showing you on my personal account that I haven't monetized yet. So after that you need to click on that yes, send me customized help and performance suggestions. After that you need to select your country or territory. For my case this is India, so I'm going to select India from here. This is. After that you need to read all those license terms and condition, and for my case I have already read those license terms and condition. So I will scroll down to the bottom and then select this yes, I have read all the license terms and condition, and click on this create account. Select get started. This will show you some pop-ups of get started manuals. From here you need to fill your individual personal IDs or personal information. Don't panic about it. Give all those information and don't give any fake information, because this is very important. When the money arrives to your bank, this will be on your name, so don't provide any fake name or any wrong name, anything like that. So I'm naming it on my own name, and the account type will be individual. And after that you need to fill your address line, and then after you have filled all those blank boxes you need to click on submit. And now this will redirect you to your channel again. Now the second step has been done. The AdSense has been created. Now you need to set your monetization preference. Click on start, and after that you need to check all those 3 boxes that will show ads to your video whenever the monetization is available on your channel. Now click on save. Now you can see the channel has been monetized. Now you cannot go through this 4th option because this option is for review. If you already know that the latest YouTube's monetization policy is you can earn money from YouTube channel if you have 4,000 hours watch time in the previous 1 year and also 1,000 subscribers. So as you can see, this is my just starting personal account, so I don't have anything on that. So in order to earn money from YouTube channel, you must have 4,000 hours watch time in 1 year and also 1000 subscribers. So that is the main thing. So whenever you achieve that goal, your monetization on YouTube channel will be automatically applied. You don't need to do anything like that. So hope you enjoyed and get help from this video. Then like this video and also share this as many as you can, and also subscribe my channel Editective, and also click the bell notification icon so that you never miss any update from our channel. Till then, Editective signing off.